guys, welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to cook wet fry fish. So I'm going to take you through the ingredients. So we have my onions, red onions, and my Dhania stems. We have my tomatoes. I've actually chopped 3 tomatoes and 3 cloves of garlic right over there. Then we have my Dhania leaves, we have curry powder, we have 3 rocyo cubes, we have salt, we have my yellow bell pepper, and we have my cooking oil. So, and my fish is out there thawing. Just before we finish preparing the ingredients, I'm so sure it will be ready to cook. So now I'll start by lighting up my fire and fry the onions and the how do you call it, and the Dhania stems. And yeah, may we begin the process. So stay tuned, don't touch that dial. And for the new how do we call them, for if you're viewing this channel for the first time, karibu sana, we love visitors. And for my returning subscribers, karibu sana. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. So I've just added cooking oil, and I'm waiting for the cooking oil to catch some fire so that the onions can turn to light brown. Then we'll now be able to add our next ingredients. The reason why I'm using Dhania stems is that they really give a very good aroma, and there's a taste that there's a flavor that it really adds. For those who have tried it, please comment down below in the comment section and tell me how do we call it, how the taste is. Do you prefer Dhania stems, or you have another hack or alternative? We are here to learn, and learn things. So feel free to comment. So I'll be adding in my 3 cloves of garlic. So now I've put it under low heat so that it can give me some time to blend the tomatoes. I'm going to blend the tomatoes. So yeah, so that we have that thick sauce that I'm talking about. But in the meantime, I will add all the 3 ingredients. So I'll start by adding the cubes. Remember, it's under low heat, yeah, so that vitunguu pia zisiungue. So we have my rocyo cubes. I'm done adding them. I'll now add the curry powder and salt. Then I will stir. I will stir my mixture, then leave it for about 3 minutes, so that I add the blended tomatoes. Yeah. So I'm going to cover my sufuria and leave it for 3 minutes. Then by then I'll have blended the tomatoes, and the tomatoes will be ready to add into the mixture. So it's about that time. I will now pour in my tomato. My tomato mix. Please remember that our heat is still on medium low. So I'm stirring just to infuse the flavors from the onions and the spices that I've just added. I don't know if you can see well. Let me try and zoom it. So I'll give the onions about like 2 minutes while I've covered my sufuria so that the flavors can infuse well. As I go check up on my fish. So this is how a mixture looks like. I have added some nimeongeza pilipili. Yes, kapilipili kwa umbali. So this is at this point you can taste your salt to see if it's okay to avoid adding salt later. So as I had told you, I had gone to check up on my fish and my fish is okay. It has already defrosted enough, so I'm just going to be placing it a piece at a time in this mixture, a piece at a time. And leave it in the mixture for about 5 minutes before I come and turn it to the other side. So the reason why I'm leaving it for 5 minutes is so that it can steam up and get the ingredients, and so that it can be flavorful. The spices in the sauce can get their way into the fish. So let's stay tuned and see how it looks like. Please note, if you feel that your soup or sauce is little, you don't hesitate to add water. But please be reminded, as you add water, also be generous with the amount of tomatoes that you'll be using from the beginning. Because the number of tomatoes will be determinant with the amount of sauce that you want. So yeah, it's that time, guys, for me to turn my... I don't know if you can have a look at how it looks like. Very good. So I will turn... It's now ready. Even the sauce has a little bit thickened. So I will turn my fish and cover it for it to steam again. So this is at that point where we add our yellow peppers. You can add peppers of your choice, not necessarily yellow. And you shouldn't add a lot. This is more to bring some flavor. So I'll still cover it for some few minutes, around 3 minutes. Yeah. Remember, I had steamed my fish in the sauce for 6 minutes. And yeah, so I've added my yellow pepper for around 3 minutes. Then I add the dhania. Then my fish will be ready. Will be ready and ready to serve. It's now time to add my dhania. Cover it for 1 minute. Then turn your fish so that the flavors can also, the down part can also get the flavors. Then you'll be good to go. So this is how our fish looks like. I will for sure show you the final product just after I have served. So yeah, guys, this is my final product. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.